Hello children, today we are learning exercise 1.2 of lesson cubes and cube roots. First main is find the cube root of each of the following numbers by prime factorization number. In this, first one is 64. First we'll find out factors of 64 using prime factorization. Unit number is even number, means it is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, carry goes 1 here, it becomes 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So the factors of 64 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here we know that for a perfect cube we have to form group of 3 numbers. This is one group and this one is second group. From each group we have to take one number. This 2, then this multiplication sign. From this second group 2 comes. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. Therefore, cube root of 64 is 4. Second one, 512. Now we'll find out factors of 512 using prime factorization method. 512. Unit number is even, means it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, remainder 1, it becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, now it is 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, carry goes 1 here, it becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. The factors of 512 are, see here 2 appears how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we know that we have to group this number in group of 3. This is one group, this one is second group and this one is third group. From each group we have to take one number. From this group 2 comes here, this multiplication sign. From this group 2 and from this group 2. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, cube root of 512 is equal to 8. Third one, 10,648. So we'll find the factors of this number. 10,648. We'll start with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again it is 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. Now here you can see that unit number is odd number, means it is not divisible by 2. But what is this? This type of numbers are called palindrome number. We know that divisibility rule for 11. If a number reads from both the sides same, from left to right or right to left same, means these numbers are called palindrome numbers. So it is divisible by 11. Now we take 11 1s are 11, remainder 2. So it becomes 23. 11 2s are 22. Remainder is what? 1. 11 1s are 11. Again this 121 is palindrome number. It is 3-digit palindrome number. Means it is divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11. Next 11 1s are 11. So the factors of the given number are 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Now here we have to group this number in group of 3. This is one group and this one is second group. From each group we have to take one digit. From this group we are taking 2, multiplication sign. From this group we are taking one digit, that is 11. Now multiply. 2 11s are 22. Therefore, cube root of 10,648 is 22. Fourth one is 27,000. First we'll find the factors of 27,000 using prime factorization. 27,000. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. This 0 comes like this. Next, 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10 and this 0 comes here. Next, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. Now last digit is 5, means it is not divisible by 2. Next divisibility condition for 3 we'll check. We'll add all these numbers. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 7 6 13. 13 plus 5 18. 18 is divisible by 3. It means the given number is divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. Next, 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 5 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So the given number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 7s are 21. 3 5s are 15. Next, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. 8 is not divisible by 3. But the unit number is here 5. If a number ends with 0 or 5, then the given number is divisible by 5. So we'll take here 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So the factors of 27,000 are 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 5 into 5 into 5. So this is group of 3 equal numbers. One group, second group and third group. Now from each group we have to take one digit. From first group we are taking 2, into second group 3, into third group 5. Now multiply. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. Therefore, cube root of 27,000 is 30. Fifth one, 15,625. Here unit number is 5, means it is not divisible by 2. Next divisibility condition for 3 will check. 1 plus 5 6. 6 plus 6 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 plus 5 19. Means it is not divisible by 3. So unit number is 5, means it is divisible by 5. 15,625. We'll start with 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. Next, 5 6s are 30. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of 15,625. 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5. So we have to form group of 3 equal numbers. This is one group. This one is second group. From each group we have to take one digit. From this group we are taking 5. Multiplication sign. From second group 5 comes here. Now multiply. 5 5s are 25. Therefore, cube root of 15,625 is 25. Sixth one, 13,824. We'll find factors of this number. 13,824. Last digit is even number, means it is divisible by 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 9s are 18. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 2 8s are 16. Sorry. Next, 2 8s are 16. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2. Next number is smaller than 2. So we have to take 0 here and we'll take together 1 6 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 7s are 14. Now unit number is odd number. It is not divisible by 2. So next divisibility condition for 3 we'll check. 2 plus 7 9 means it is 27 is divisible by 3. So we'll take 3 here. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the factors are, how many times this 2 appears? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 3 comes 3 times. 1 2 3. Now form group of 3 equal numbers. This is one group, second group, third group and fourth group. From each group we have to take one digit. From first group 2 comes here. Second group also 2 comes here. And third group. From fourth group 3 comes here. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Therefore, cube root of 13,824 is equal to 24. So using the same method, you try to solve 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th also.